Fish on. Back to. Fish on, guys. Woo! Come on, baby boy. Fish on. Bring him up.
Thank you guys for joining the channel, guys. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch our ads, guys. And we're on a mission this morning, on our way in, but we're a bit early for what we have to do. So I think I have an opportunity to stop real quick, and I think I'm gonna take the opportunity, quick 10 minutes, and see what I can pick up. So let's see what's up, guys. Let's see what we can pick up real quick. We always ready for the action at any time. Yo, guys, always prepared for the action, no matter what, anytime, any day, anywhere. So it's just a matter of just stopping and just picking something up, catch ourselves some lunch. Stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here.
Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome to the channel. Hey, watch out for those morning ropes. The water looks good though. Welcome to the channel, guys. Let's see what we can pick up here. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Early morning. Eh? Where the dog? Eh? One snook? Go on, man. Hey, guys. Oh, shit. Bad dog. That's weird, Rasta. None right here. Fish on. Back to. Fish on, guys. Woo! Come on, baby boy. Jackfish. Jackfish, baby boy. Here, guys. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yes, man.
Jackfish on.
Proper.
That's right. We got lunch.
Yeah. Proper. Yeah, man. Nice jackfish.
Hear that boy fighting up, right?
Yeah, man.
Boy, put in some fight.
Put it in the fight, man.
Woohoo!
That is it.
Yeah, guys. Oh shit, the lure came out. I was trying to get the tool out, get him. Get him. Rasta, look at that. Nice jackfish, boy. Woohoo! On the catch. We okay.
Who is Rasta? This is how I got a hook in my hand last time, was from one of these bad boys.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Just like that. Jamaican shore fishing outside.
Yeah,
Hey.
Okay.
Look at that.
That boy hit that line hard, boy. Hmm? That boy hit that line hard like a gunshot a while ago. Yeah, man. Welcome to the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Intern Block, when you run, you done?
Yeah.
On jackfish? Yeah. Yeah, we did enough damage up here already. Jackfish time. Get him washed off. Get you some water in your system, buddy. Yep. Oh, cheap on him. Sure fishing spot 2, we stop that real quick. See if we can pick something up. We're looking for dinner, guys. Eh? Who? Me? Close now? Here, guys. Look and see if we can pick up another jack. Russ! See if we can get Rasta to pick up something this morning. We'll cast with that wind in the back. Get it as far as we can down there. Right down there, guys. boys. Yeah, boy. Like I just felt that jackfish this morning. Fish on, fish on. Bring him up, bring him up. Oh, God. Rastaman, you start here. Look for the starfish before you grab the fish. Look for the big jack where you just catch the coil. Brother, I'm going to go to my class and try to get your fish, brother. You start up here, look for the fish. Rasta, really?
You never realize him.
So as the fish come up, you lift up the fish, brother. Where you fight with him, lift up the rod and lift up the fish, bro. Bombardos, bro. The man hook up big jack, look while people and make the jack get wet rotted. I Rasta catch the fish and now ball out.
Yeah, alright, that's why fish pick your line.
Of course, that's right where he's going to bite the line. Alright, our foot there always bite the line, bro. The blood clean, dog. One big like the one we have, you know?
Yeah, same size.
Damn, bro, look how I'm going to myself, dog. I'm about to jump in a few water just to get the fish, Rasta. Alright. Unhook it. Wait till the wave go out, Rasta. Time it. Time it. See your chance there. Take out the rod outside water. Take out the rod. Take out the rod, bro. Fix the lure on the rod, bro. Brain, no step over there, so barefoot, you know. I'll tell you that now. You've been a whole lot of pain today. Alright. Rasta make the fish get wet to rotted, people. Guys, Rasta make the fish get wet, look while. Rasta, you know see me out people, you know see me out try to take up the fish, look while. Lord have mercy. You can't believe Rasta make the fish get wet for him this morning. Bro, it shouldn't be surprising you're fishing.
Yeah, but you know, look for him right here, so.
Brother, you in water come all the way up to this, so you mean I look the fish all the way up to this, bro?
No, because so while ago I'm watching Laura come in and say, I'm going to pick up my gas.
Yeah, right, just a leak. Jaja God. You win some, you lose some, guys. Yo, you can't let that pressure off a fish none time and you put on the rod and make the fish drop. No, lift up the fish and take the fish out of the water right away, bro. Don't leave the fish near the water. Fish splash me and swim with, boy, may I tell you. Ah, sure, fishing up the son of Jesus. Yo, boy, me lucky today, see, boy. Yo, I grab me, go grab him now. When I see saying swim off in the water and I'll slip. John no star. I'm gonna have my gaff with me. Alright, I'm gonna see how slick this boy is. I still lose a 3-pound jack today. Alright, come on, bro, let's go. Down the line. Rasta's still trying, guys. Look at him. That one hurt his feelings a while ago. It is what it is. We fish like this all the time, so I got myself wet, damn it. All my clothes is wet and everything, and I'm going. Yo, imagine me going. Yo, bro. That's what I said, man. That's fishing. That's fishing. The good thing is that you're fishing, you're casting, and you're catching fish, and that's the greatest part about it. People come out here and cast all week long and don't catch nothing, and you come out here and you cast 2 times and you catch a fish, bro. Come on, that's a blessing, bro. You think that the grouper hit hard like a jackfish? That jackfish a hammer that shit. Alright, let's get out of Dodge. Come on. It is what it is, Russ. Keep on trying. Don't give up so easy. That was your fault though. Yeah. You let tension off the line. Keep tension on the line and lift the fish and make the fish come out over we are away from you. Drop the fish right in the water, Russ. Oh, you drop the fish back in the water, brother. No, bro. Take the rod and lift up the fish and just go so immediately. As soon as when you come in, you come out of the water one time and drop. You drop and then try lift up again. Come to your Rastaman. How much time you there? See with me, man. Let's get out of here, bro. Can't get a one cast this in that grass. Cast in that grass, man. Come on. Cast in that grass now, bro. That's all. I mean, if you set up your line that you can change off lure when you're ready. Yeah, guys, that's it. We're done. We heading back. I'm gonna head in. Oh boy, this nigga gonna be talking about this shit all day. All day on your mind. All day. Now you don't let tension off the fish again. Now you learned your lesson. You lost a big fish.
Big fish.
Okay. There you go. I've lost many big fish. But guess what? Even though he lost a big fish today, guys, it still didn't deter us from fishing. It still don't stop him from going back out. Lesson learned today. Don't let off tension off the line. Bring the fish out of the water. And don't have Jerry have to try to chase the fish back in the water. Now, Rasta is going to leave this spot today feeling like he done got his wet dream messed up. He messed his whole wet dream up today. He didn't get that fish out of the water. But it is what it is. He will do it better next time. So Jamaican Shore Fishing, thank all you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for smashing that thumbs up as you enter. And big up yourself and stay tuned for more epic, exciting link up. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here.